Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Jim Scott's Weather Desk. As we move deeper into the first full week of January, the weather pattern across the country becomes more active, again with a sharp contrast between a wintry west and a milder east. Let's take a look what you can expect. Out west, the storm track remains busy. California, Oregon, and Washington continues to see cloudy skies and periods of rain, especially along the coast and lower elevations. Rainfall is generally light to moderate, but roads may be slick at times, particularly during the morning and evening commute. In the higher elevations of the Cascades and Sierra Nevada, snow levels remain low enough for heavy mountain snow with additional accumulation possible. Travel through the mountain passes could be slow and difficult at times. Temperatures stay mild for early January, with highs mainly in the 50s and 60s, but the clouds and rains will keep it feeling cooler. Across the Rockies, winter is firmly in control. Expect cloudy skies with scattered snow showers, especially in the higher elevations. Snow accumulation will generally be light to moderate, but mountain travel may still be impactful, particularly in Colorado, Wyoming, and Montana. High temperatures remain in the 30s and colder conditions persist where snow is falling. From the Central Plains into the Midwest, the weather stays quiet but chilly. Skies range from mostly cloudy to partly cloudy, with no widespread precipitation expected. Afternoon highs generally reach to the 30s to low 40s, depending on your location. Winds are light to moderate, keeping wind chills mostly in the 20s and the lower 30s. Overall, travel conditions remain favorable. In the Great Lakes and Northeast, it's another cold but dry winter day. Clouds cover gradually thins in some areas, allowing for occasional breaks in sunshine. Temperatures remain below average, with highs mainly in the 30s and overnight lows dropping into the 20s. And not looking at any major snow systems today, just a typical January chill. The South continues to be the warm spot on the map. Texas, the Gulf Coast, and Florida enjoy milder temperatures with highs ranging from 60s into the lower 70s. Skies are mostly cloudy at times with only isolated showers possible. Overall, it's a comfortable winter day for outdoor plans across much of the region. Good morning, everyone across Indiana and Ohio, and thanks for joining me here on Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Let's walk through what you can expect as we move through the rest of the week, because we've got a stretch of cloudy skies, occasional rain, and some temperature swings ahead. For today, it's a cloudy and breezy start. We're dealing with areas of drizzle early this morning, along with a slight chance of light rain through late morning and into early afternoon. Rain coverage stays limited with only about a 20% chance, but don't be surprised if you run into some damp roads at times. Temperatures warm up nicely despite the clouds, with the afternoon highs near 51 degrees. Winds will be noticeable today. Look, southerly winds at 9 to 13 miles per hour, with wind gusts as high as 24 miles per hour, making it feel a bit blustery at times. Tonight stays mostly cloudy and remains breezy. Low temperatures drop to around 35 degrees, with west winds between 5 and 9 miles per hour and gusts up to 21 miles per hour, keeping it in from feeling especially calm overnight. Wednesday brings a bit of an improvement. We'll start the day mostly cloudy, but skies gradually brighten up through the afternoon with some sunshine developing. High temperatures reach around 49 degrees and winds calm down from the southwest at just 3 to 6 miles per hour, making for a more comfortable day. Wednesday night turns partly cloudy with lows near 35 degrees. Winds stay light from the south at 3 to 6 miles per hour, so overall a quiet night. Thursday is when the wet weather becomes more widespread. Skies stay mostly cloudy, with rain becoming likely after 1 p.m. Rain chances jump to around 60%, and rainfall amounts could range from a tenth to a quarter of an inch. Despite the rain, temperatures stay mild with Highs near 55 degrees. Rain continues and becomes more widespread Thursday night. Overnight, lows fall to around 49 degrees, and rain chances increase to around 90%, making for a wet and damp night. Friday stays unsettled. Rain remains likely during the morning, especially before 1 p.m., then gradually tapers off later in the day. High temperatures climb to around 61 degrees, making it one of the warmest days of the week. Rain chances remain elevated Friday night, around 70%, with skies staying mostly cloudy. Low temperatures drop to around 39 degrees, so we'll still be mild for this time of the year. By Saturday, conditions begin to improve. We'll still have mostly cloudy skies with a 30% chance of rain, mainly before early afternoon. Highs cool back down to around 46 degrees. And Saturday night turns colder. Skies remain mostly cloudy and temperatures drop to around 24 degrees. So expect a much cooler temperature heading into the weekend. Overall, we've got a mix of clouds, some occasional rain, and milder temperatures as we move through the week, with cooler conditions returning by the weekend. No major storms right now, but we'll keep an eye on those rain chances and any changes that may develop. As always, thank you for spending part of your day with me here at Jim Scott's Weather Desk. If this forecast helped you out, please like the video, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below. I always enjoy hearing from you. Be sure to follow and join the page so you don't miss any updates as we track the forecast going forward. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next time with your next weather update. I'm Jim Scott. Have a great day.